Hey, I'm Sean from Sprinkler Daddy, and this video is your instruction on how to install your house connection to start your sprinkler system. Okay, so to start your sprinkler system, you're going to have to access your water somehow, and in most cases, in most residential applications, that's going to come from inside the house. What you're going to have is water lines running to the outside of the house, and you're going to have a tap on the end. And in most cases, what you're going to be able to do is just, if the plumber should have just put a 3/4 inch female thread that tap is screwed into, so you'll be able to thread the tap out, and you'll actually be able to reuse it in the house connection that we've got designed for you here. This is the brass model, and this is a PVC model that we've got as well. The brass model is typically what we go with because it's a little bit sturdier, and just for the optics on the outside of your house, it looks a little bit better. So basically what you're going to want to do is thread that out. If you don't have a thread there, if it's soldered on or something, you're going to have to come up with a solution for that. So it's either going to have to be, you're going to have to get a plumber in to get 3/4 inch female threads on there, or we've got an adapter that we can make work with your tap. It's not the greatest, but if you don't want to mess around with any plumbing, that's what you're going to have to do. So basically, for the most part, what we're going to do is send you this, or put together in your package, this house connection without the tap on it, because we're assuming that you can use the one that's already existing. If that's not the case, please let us know. What you're going to do is you're going to have to take all these parts apart. It's just put together so that you know exactly how it goes together. And what you're going to want to do is take everything apart and Teflon tape all the threads and put it together nice and tight. If you can put this in a vice grip or use a pipe wrench, that's going to get you nice and tight, so that you can so that you're not going to get any water leaks. From there, this is going to thread onto the outside of the house, and you're going to hook your pipe up here and go down into the ground. We're going to have a 3/4 inch elbow for you that you can use at the bottom, so you can come straight down into an elbow and out into your manifold, or you can just bend the pipe into the manifold as well. It's totally up to you on your personal preference. So that's the house connection. That's how you're going to get your project started.